This is wheel. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh, its whirliness brings tears to my eyes. Oh my goodness! Oh, wheel, you've changed everything.
Were you supposed to that?
No. Oh, wheel, you broke my heart. This is Paper Plane Into Fire 98. Here we go. Oh, it's a disaster. They've both missed. It is a travesty. This is Iron Grid, and as you can see, it's just a pack of crayons. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Oh dear. Oh, Iron Grid. Oh, Iron Grid. What have you done to it? Oh my, ow. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Oh, it's over. This is Paper Planes Into Fire 99. Here we go. Oh, it's a bit better. It's a bit better.
Mine is successful in close to the fire.
One is close to the fire. There it is. It's just on the side of the mountain.
It's about to catch fire.
It's about to catch fire. Oh my God, you can hear in the background the explosions of the engines. It's a national tragedy. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh the humanity. Oh my word.
I'll never reach it.
Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh, the Grim Reaper is a harsh mistress of men. This is colourful bees. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is colourful bees. Colourful bees. Here we go. This is it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. That is everything I dreamed it would be. Colourful bees. I've never seen anything quite like it. They're all the same colour so far. It's over.